Hello, in this lecture we will define information storage. According to Fundamental Accounting Principles, WILD 22nd edition, the definition of information storage is component of an accounting system that keeps data in a form accessible to information processors. So when we think about information storage, we are thinking about how are we going to store that information in such a way that it can then be stored and received and taken back out in a certain format. We can think of that information storage as a component in the components of an accounting information system. A flow of an accounting information system may look something like this. We have the source document. That's where the original information comes from that we are going to put into the system, usually a financial transaction type of information. We're going to put it into the system with an input device, whether that be a keyboard or a scanner. Usually thinking of it as going into a computer system these days. Then we're going to process that information, and we then need to store that information. So the storage is just basically holding on to that information. How are we going to do that? Typically it's going to be in some type of computer system at this time, so that at a later time we can then retrieve that information and put it into some kind of output device, whether that be a printer or a screen or something like that. We generally think of storage these days in terms of a computer or a database program. That database program can be online, in the cloud, or it can be offline, on ground. Of course, we could have other types of storage devices without the computer. We could have paper storage as well, but we typically think of the systems in these days in terms of some type of storage on a computer type system.